Hello dear students, good morning. Today we will continue with our chapter number 4, Agriculture. And today we will discuss about the types of farming. Now what is farming? So the farming is practiced in various ways across the world, and the farming is depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of product, labor and level of technology. So farming can be classified into main types, and these are subsistence farming and commercial farming. First we will discuss about subsistence farming. Now what is subsistence farming? So in this farming is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. So which farming is done for only for the needs of the farmer's family is called subsistence farming. Traditionally, low level of technology and household labels are used to produce on a small output. Means low level of technology means still they are using some traditional method of farming. For example, they are not using tractor and thresher and that what we can plow, but instead of this they are using old method of farming, means bullock cart, bullock plow, laboring of their household labor, means the labors from their own house. They are not able to pay another labels, and they have a small output of it. Subsistence farming is divided in two parts: intensive subsistence and primitive subsistence. In intensive subsistence agriculture, the farmer cultivates a small plot of land using a simple tools and more labors. In intensive subsistence agriculture, farmer cultivates a small plot, means they have 1 vigha or 2 vigha land, and they using simple tools. Simple tools means bullock and hand plow. They are not using tractors and all these things, and more labors. When they have to cultivate the grains, they used the labor. They are not using technology. Climate with a large number of days with the sunshine and fertile soils permit growing of more than one crop annually on the same plot. Means in this farming, a farmer can grow only one crop annually on the same plot because of the rain. They are not, as I told you, they are not using the method of irrigation. They have not proper we can say arrangement for farming. They are only depend on rain, their traditional tools. So they are not they only grow a crop, one crop annually, and rice is the main crop for intensive subsistence agriculture. Other crops include wheat, maize, pulses and oilseeds. This agriculture means intensive subsistence agriculture is prevalent in thickly populated areas of the monsoon regions of South, Southeast and East Asia. Now let's discuss about primitive subsistence agriculture. And this agriculture includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Now, what is shifting cultivation? So, a plot of land is cleared by felling of trees and burning them, and shifting cultivation is known by different names in different parts of the world. For example, zooming in northeast India, milpa in Mexico, roca in Brazil, ladang in Malaysia. And this cultivation is practiced in thickly forest areas of Amazon basin, tropical Africa, parts of Southeast Asia and Northeast Asia. As they clear the plot, these areas offer heavy rainfall and quick regeneration of vegetable. So they cleared this land or plot by felling or by cutting the trees or burning them, and the ashes and the leaves, composed leaves are then mixed with the soil, and crops like maize, yam, potatoes and cassava are grown. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivator moves to a new plot. Means this is called, for example, today or this month a farmer used 2 vigha for this type of cultivation, and next month he is shifting to the next plot, then the next month he is shifting for the next plot. So that's why this is called a shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Now, nomadic herding. When you are passes by the road, or when you are riding your bike, or if you are going to any village, you can see that a shepherd is walking with their herds of cow, camel, goats on the road. Why? So they are in search of food, or they are rear their cattle for the food. So they move from one place to another place with their animals for the fodder and water along the defined routes. This kind of agriculture is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. This type of movement arises in response to climate constraints and terrain. For these kind of peoples, if we talk about Gujarat, Ch.4 is the best place. The people who are coming from Kutch or Kathiawar, they prefer for this type of farming is Ch.4, because here all the fodder and water is available for their herd. Sheep, camel, yak and goats are most commonly reared for nomadic herding. They provide, means these animals provide milk, meat, wool, hides and other products to the herder and their family. Now let's discuss about commercial farming. So commercial, the word itself suggests that commercial means it is related to money, where you can get a profit or from where you can get some more money. It's called commercial farming. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation agriculture. So till here we discussed today. We will discuss more about this chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.